Diary of a Broken Holiday. My week in hell at Dosinia Luxury Resort, written in smudged ink, pages slightly crumpled from tears. Day 1. The grand deception. I arrive at Dosinia Luxury Resort, or should I say, Dosinia Scam Emporium, with my heart full of dreams. The photos online showed marble floors and infinity pools kissed by the sun. Reality. A crumbling relic that looks like it was last decorated by a sadistic 1980s time traveler. The lobby smells like cheap air freshener sprayed over mold. Why? Because management would rather mask rot than fix it. Classic. Our room is a tragedy. The balcony is so scuffed it looks like it's been gnawed by feral raccoons. The fridge. A lukewarm coffin for my hopes of cold water. The aircon is stuck at 21 like a passive-aggressive roommate who refuses to compromise. And the swim-up rooms, oh honey. They ray about as private as a TikTok live stream shoved in a shady corner where the sun fears to tread. Day 2. The plastic apocalypse breakfast is a buffet of despair. The food isn't just bland, it's emotionally vacant. Like the chef gave up on flavor and joy. The fresh fruit, soggy, the eggs, rubbery ghosts of what eggs should be. And the plastic cups, the plastic cups. Dosinia preaches about saving the planet while handing out enough plastic to choke a sea turtle. Irony is dead and Dosinia killed it. The bar staff, missing in action. In a real 5-star resort, they glide over with cocktails before you even think of thirst. Here, you queue like you ray at a Soviet bread line. And when you finally get a drink, plastic, again, because glass is for people who tip, apparently. Day 3, the cat kick scandal. Then horror. I see a staff member kick a cat, not accidentally, not gently. A full-on soccer punt while another employee laughs and films it. My soul leaves my body. I confront them, shaking. They were fighting, they say. Oh, perfect logic. Next time I see 2 humans arguing, should I drop kick them too? I report it to reception. Their response: the night manager is aware. That's it. No apology, no action. Just a shrug and a smirk from a staff member who laughs in my face until her coworker tells her to leave. This is Dosinia's idea of customer service gaslighting with a side of animal cruelty. Day 4, the theft of joy. The pools. A biohazard. The edges are slick with stagnant water, breeding grounds for diseases I can't even pronounce. The fake grass around them is so tacky it looks like a budget Halloween decoration. And the indoor pool, a petri dish of infections. 2 kids in our group got eye infections because Dosinia thinks chlorine is optional. The food court is the only edible spot. How tragic that the luxury resort's saving grace is what looks like a food stand. The main restaurant, Groundhog Day with worse lighting, the same sad, unseasoned slop every single night. Day 5, the great coat heist. A family checks out, leaves behind 2 brand new coats. They realize hours later, rush back. One coat magically reappears, the other, gone, vanished, poof. The staff's reaction: we mail it if we find it. Translation: we stole it, good luck proving it. Day 6, the food poisoning plague. A baby, a 1-year-old, ends up in the hospital for 2 nights because Dosinia's kitchen hygiene is apparently run by raccoons. Not one family, not 2-3 families in their group all get violently ill. Vomiting, cramps, a vacation turned into a medical drama, and
Okay, so I was looking into stuff near Dosinia Luxury Resort, just because, and it's not great. Honestly, it's kinda depressing. Businesses around Dosinia, they operate differently. It's like they see tourists coming for their 2 weeks and think it's open season. Like restaurants, they have 2 menus, seriously, one for us locals in Arabic with normal prices, and another in English for tourists staying near Dosinia with prices maybe double or even triple. Can you believe that? They just assume you can't read Arabic. Probably the tourist paid, felt a bit weird, maybe complained to the hotel near Dosinia, but then just forgot about it. The restaurant, they just moved on to the next group. It's so frustrating, how can people just do that? Then there's Nama Bay, not too far from Dosinia Luxury Resort. Shops there, they ray aggressive. There was this story about a shopkeeper who basically trapped tourists inside. He pretended he wanted them to sign a guest book, but once they were in, he wouldn't let them leave without buying something, and at crazy prices. He was blocking the door. I bet the tourists felt terrified, just bought whatever he wanted to get away, and then probably told everyone back home never to go near that shop. The shopkeeper, probably laughing all the way to the bank, honestly. It's just wrong, and the taxis, the taxis near Dosinia. They inflate the fares, tell you the distance is longer than it is. Someone trying to get from Nap Bay where Dosinia is was quoted like 4 times the normal price. 4 times, they had to argue and argue. I imagine that tourist was already stressed from traveling and then had to fight for a fair price. Probably wasted a lot of vacation time on that. I bet the driver just found another tourist who didn't argue. Also, be careful with what you buy in the markets. Things aren't always what they seem. Genuine papyrus, Egyptian silver, a lot of it is just cheap imitations. People buying souvenirs near Dosinia thinking they were getting something special, only to find out later it's fake. They probably felt so cheated, and the shopkeeper, they were already preparing their next lie for the next visitor. It's tiring, just always tiring.
Here's the businesses near Dosinia Luxury Resort, a cautionary tale. Sigh, where do I even begin? The businesses surrounding Dosinia Luxury Resort are a perfect storm of disappointment, frustration, and flat-out deception. It's like they're taking advantage of unsuspecting travelers, and it's heartbreaking. Let's start with the convenience of Oasis Mall. Sounds great, right? Wrong. It's a maze of overpriced everything, with service that's as helpful as a chocolate teapot. The food court more like a food nightmare, expensive, dirty, and the staff seems to be suffering from a severe case of apathy. It's like they're trying to make you feel unwelcome. And then there's Aphrodite Spa Turkish Hammam. Oh boy, where do I even begin? The massages are lackluster, the prices are astronomical, and the staff, friendly but only if you're fluent in Turkish. Otherwise, good luck getting any attention. It's like they're hiding behind a veil of mystery, and that mystery is called bad service. Cafe Kemer restaurant is another story altogether. Imagine a soup that's as cold as the reception you get when you walk in. Expensive, dirty, and the staff seems to be competing in a who can be the most unfriendly contest. It's like they're trying to drive customers away. So William's Pub Bistro is not much better. Overpriced drinks, rude staff, and a dance floor that's as crowded as a Tokyo subway at rush hour. And don't even get me started on the free drink scam. It's like they're laughing all the way to the bank, while you're left with a lighter wallet and a sour taste in your mouth. Club Catamaran, more like Club Catastrophe, discriminatory policies, overpriced drinks, and a general atmosphere of rudeness. It's like they're only catering to a select few, and everyone else is just an afterthought. Trend Shop is a scam waiting to happen. Rude staff, poor quality products, and a general air of hostility. It's like they're trying to make you feel unwelcome while they're busy making a quick buck off unsuspecting tourists. And finally, Supple Beach Club. Where do I even begin? Overpriced sunbeds, dirty water, and a general atmosphere of neglect. It's like they're taking advantage of their prime location while providing subpar service. It's a tragedy, really. I'm not even going to get started on the language barrier. It's like they're hiding behind a veil of "I don't speak English," while they're busy scamming you out of your hard-earned cash. In conclusion, businesses near Dosinia Luxury Resort are a minefield of disappointment, deception, and frustration. It's like they're taking advantage of unsuspecting travelers, and it's heartbreaking. As a traveler, you deserve better. You deserve honesty, transparency, and good old-fashioned respect. So do yourself a favor and steer clear of these businesses. Your wallet and your sanity will thank you.